The big top is crumbling down. It's raining in Baltimore, 50 miles east, where you should be. No one's around. I need a phone call. I need a raincoat. I need a big love. I need a phone call. And all these train conversations just passing me by, and I ain't got nothing to say except that you get what you pay for. And I just had no intention of living this way. I need a phone call. I need a plane ride. God, I need a sunburn. I need a raincoat. There's things I remember. There's things I forget. I miss you. I guess that I should, but you are 3,500 miles away. What would I change if I could? Nothing. I need a phone call. Or maybe I should buy a new car. I can always hear this freight train. Baby, if I listen real hard. And I wish it was a small world, 'cause I'm only for the big towns. Dan, I want to hear a little guitar. You say I got a funny face. Well, it makes me money. You say